Hi girls, hope you are doing great. Today I'm back with you with a small unboxing. It's again from Chanel, and I'll share with you why I decided to buy this, also the price, and what are my first impression about it. So I have bought this from Barcelona on my trip to Barcelona, and I don't know what to say. Unfortunately or fortunately, there is only one Chanel store in Barcelona. So in case you don't find the problem, if you don't find what you like, it's either you buy an alternative or you just don't buy anything. So again, as usual, I went to look for something and I didn't find it. I was planning to buy the espadrilles in I think it was a blue and a gray. I'll put the picture in the video, but I didn't find it. I found nice ones, but it wasn't what I was looking for. And I was thinking, in case I don't find the shoes, then I'll buy a wallet, coin wallet, which was small. Also, I saw it on the website with the same color from what I'm gonna show you now, but it was different. It had like a slip or an opening on the outside, and it was a bit different, and also the price was cheaper. However, I did not find it, and this is what I found. I am happy with what I got. This is the boy Chanel boy pattern or look. I like this one when I first saw it. Like the salesperson went to look for what I actually wanted, the other blue. However, she brought me a range of other wallets and I found this one and I liked it. The blue color is very nice, and I like that the zip is also blue, matching the wallet, and the hardware is not gold, it's like champagne color, and it's not too bright or I don't know, the color is not disturbing, if that's the word. It's very pleasant together with the blue, and I liked it very much. As you can see, the wallet is small, it's not very big. It has three cases where you can put your cards or you can put your coins. For me, I bought it to put whichever coins I have for a change, and some cards I use on a daily basis. This is not my only wallet. I have bought a Saint Laurent card holder. That was my main one, and this was the second one I bought for an extra use. Means I'm using my card holder, and as I said, I use this for some coins or change. Before, I had a big wallet for 5 years from Mulberry. I'll show you the picture if I can here. And my use is different nowadays. I don't need a big wallet anymore, and also I'm starting to carry smaller bags, so I need smaller wallets and things which can be more useful and more convenient, and this is what I opted for. So the price for this wallet was, I think, around 520 euros, and I got a tax refund of, I think, 75 or 70 euros. It's a good purchase. It's not a cheap one, of course, but if you are into branded stuff, quality and long lasting, this is a good one for me. I like the brand, not all of it, but many of their stuff, and I like other brands as well, but this is what I went for this wallet. This is it for this video. If you need more information or you have any questions, let me know what you need to know in the comment box. Also, if you want to see my review after a few months of using this, let me know as well. If you are interested to know how to do a tax refund and how much you will get depending on which brand, let me also know, and I can explain to you how you get a tax refund as easily as possible.